Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to make changes in cell alignment of cells. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have three columns. One is with book, second one is version, and third one is status. I will show how can we use the shortcut to change the cell alignment. So select all those cells and then for align left hand side, so I'll press Alt H A L. So if I press Alt H A L, it will align the cell towards the left hand side. Next one is to align centrally, so I will press Alt H A C. So it will move all those words in the center of the cell. So next one is align towards the right hand side. So shortcut key is Alt H A R. So all those words will be moved towards the right hand side. Last one is to justify the text. So it will Alt H A J. So press Alt H A J, so it will justify all those cells. So this is how you can align your cells with the help of shortcut key. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.